Are you ready to create engaging animations? Stick figure animations can go viral. Follow these steps to create captivating content without showing your face. First, let's identify the components needed. You'll need animation software, a storyboard, and creativity. Don't worry, we'll cover everything. Start by choosing your animation software. Tools like Adobe Animate, Clip, or Stick Nodes are perfect. Each offers unique features for beginners and experts. Next, create your storyboard. This is a visual plan of your animation. Outline each scene's action and dialogue. Keep it simple. Visualizing helps structure your ideas. Now, it's time to design stick figures. Use basic shapes for the body and limbs. This keeps the focus on action, not details. Remember, simple can be effective. Animators rely on keyframes to move stick figures. Set keyframes at starting and ending points of movements. The software fills in the gaps. This process is called tweening. Add sound effects and voiceovers. Sounds enhance emotions and keep viewers engaged. Choose sounds that match the actions. A loud crash or a silly laugh makes a difference. Export your animation once you're satisfied. Choose high-quality settings. This ensures your animation looks its best on YouTube. For a clear example, let's visualize a simple scenario. A stick figure falls, bounces, and laughs. With each keyframe, you can see the action unfold seamlessly. The added sound will make it memorable. In summary, choose your software, create a storyboard, design stick figures, use keyframes, and add sound. This process leads to engaging stick figure animations. Now, it's your turn. Start creating your viral animations today. Share your work on your Faceless YouTube channel and grow your audience. Are you struggling to create engaging animations? In today's tutorial, we will explore stick figure animations. Our goal is to create captivating content without showing your face. First, let's identify what you need. Gather your animation software, a storyboard, and creativity. Don't worry, we'll cover everything step by step. Start by choosing animation software. Popular options include Adobe Animate, Clip, or Stick Nodes. Each of these has unique features for every skill level. Next, create your storyboard. This serves as a visual plan for your animation. Outline actions and dialogue for each scene. Keeping it simple helps you structure your ideas effectively. Now it's time to design your stick figures. Use basic shapes for bodies and limbs. Simplicity keeps the focus on actions rather than details. Remember, simple can be very effective. Animators rely on keyframes to move stick figures. These are placed at the starting and ending points of your movements. The software will fill in the gaps through a process called tweening. Next, add sound effects and voiceovers. Sounds enhance emotions and keep your viewers engaged. Choose sounds that match your actions. A loud crash or silly laugh can make all the difference. When you're satisfied, export your animation. Select high-quality settings to ensure your animation looks great on YouTube. For a clear example, visualize a stick figure falling, bouncing, and laughing. With each keyframe, you see the action unfold. The added sounds will make it memorable. In summary, choose your software, create a storyboard, design stick figures, use keyframes, and add sound. This process is essential for engaging stick figure animations. Now it's your turn. Start creating viral animations today. Share your work on your Faceless YouTube channel and grow your audience.